baby birds.
Oh yeah, what do you got there? Birdhouse?
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
I painted it for you.
Oh, thank you. It looks beautiful.
See on the part, I painted it on the back.
Oh, that is beautiful. I like it.
On this top.
And the birds will like it too.
On the top.
Yeah.
And the birds will like it too.
Yes, they will.
And the little baby ones.
Yeah, little baby ones.
They got the mama birds has to make baby birds.
Yeah, the mama and the daddy birds make baby birds.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. They have a nice house to live in.
Why?
Because you made it for them.
I painted for them.
Yeah.
Why did I paint it in color?
Yeah, it looks beautiful. It's really nice.
I paint green on here on this side. I paint red on here. And black. Green. I paint red. Green. Paint black. Is this red?
That's black. Red is on top.
Yes. And it turns red. It'll be red. Red. It'll be red when the sunshine's gone.
Does it have your name on the bottom? Look on the bottom. On the very bottom. Down here. What's it say?
It says Elijah.
It says Elijah. Yes. Wow, you made that on May the 28th of 2013.
Did I paint it down here?
Yeah. Good job.
Like eat.
Say bye. Say bye to the camera.